Welcome to Universal Community Health Center. My name is Crystal Felix, and I am one of the medical providers here at UCHC. Today, I will be taking you through our Almaguer Clinic site. Our Almaguer Clinic site is located at 4527 East Cesar E Chavez Avenue, Los Angeles, California, zip code 90022. Upon entering, you will be greeted by our front office staff, where you can receive assistance regarding check-in, registration, scheduling appointments, and general information. This is also the location for our patient waiting area. After you are all checked in and ready to be called into the clinic, you will be greeted by our back office staff at our medical assistance station. Here they will take your vitals, document your information, and escort you to an exam room. Our clinic rooms are fully equipped with an adjustable exam table, integrated wall-mounted diagnostic system, modular vital sign instruments, guest seating, sink storage cabinetry, sharps container, glove dispensers, and waste baskets. We also have a fully serviced laboratory that uses state-of-the-art equipment to provide quality test results. Our experienced staff is highly skilled and specially trained. As we walk through this hallway, you will see our secondary waiting area and our referrals coordinator station. Here you can receive assistance regarding radiology and specialist referrals. The parking lot for our Almaguer Clinic is located on the left side of our clinic, and if you need transportation assistance, we are here to help. Just ask one of our staff members. How to get to the Almaguer Clinic. This clinic is located just off the 710 freeway on East Cesar E Chavez Avenue. Current medical providers at this location include Dr. Angelina Nieto Rodriguez, myself, Crystal Felix, as well as Emily Lara. Our UCHC team is here to help with any health concerns you may have. Our services are provided to anyone seeking care regardless of race, medical plan, age, gender, ability to pay, or immigration status. We also offer a sliding fee discount program to those who qualify. Our services at UCHC include primary care for all ages, nutrition and weight management assistance, behavioral health services, perinatal care, outpatient dermatology services, outpatient ear, nose, and throat services, dental care, remote patient monitoring, immigration physicals, as well as after-hours assistance. Make an appointment today at Universal Community Health Center. For more information, visit us at www.uchcla.org or call us at 323-233-3100.